Ever tried to send money on Venmo only to be met with that dreaded payment declined message? It's a common issue, and usually there's a simple fix first. The most frequent culprit: insufficient funds. Before attempting another transfer, quickly check your linked bank account or debit card. Ensure you have enough money to cover the Venmo payment. Next, verify your payment information. Are your linked bank account details or card numbers correct and up to date? Sometimes, outdated information can cause hiccups. Head to your Venmo settings and confirm everything is accurate. Another common reason for declines is exceeding your Venmo sending limit. These limits vary based on your account verification status. You can usually find your specific limits within the Venmo app settings or help section. If you've hit your cap, you'll need to wait until the next billing cycle or consider verifying your account further to increase limits. Pay close attention to any specific error messages Venmo provides. They often contain clues about the problem. Finally, if you've checked everything and the payment is still declining, it might be time to contact Venmo support directly. They can investigate more complex issues with your account. By addressing these common issues, you'll likely get your Venmo payments flowing smoothly again.